Hi, this is the creek. It's been raining for 3, 4 days now. And it seems like the creek has really increased. Ozzy's not really ready to go much farther than this. This is where the beach was, on the rock. And there's Sadie. She's still trying to wade, even though I think the wading is over with for her. She's still really happy. She wants to keep doing it. So that's what the creek looks like right now, 4 days into rain. But the sound is fantastic. Because this brook is going. Hi, Ozzy.